Welcome to Cold Brew Finance's U.S. End-of-Day Technology Deep Dive for Wednesday, July 9th, 2025. Today we'll cover market moves in technology, communications, and healthcare indexes, stocks, and ETFs. I'm your host, Ira Roth. Let's dive in. Key tech indexes closed higher today. The Nasdaq Composite Index and technology sector both hit new all-time highs, closing at 20,611 and 5,062 respectively. All five indexes showed very strong positive trends, with gains ranging from 0.4% to 0.9%. Market breadth was notably positive. The Nasdaq 100 saw 75% of its components advance. The broader Nasdaq Composite showed strong participation with 1,861 advancing stocks versus 1,170 declining. Month-to-date returns show technology leading with a 2% gain, while communication services lags with a 1% decline. Year-to-date, tech and communication sectors have outperformed with 9.8% and 9.5% returns respectively. Top tech performers were led by PTC, surging 17.6% to a new all-time high of 210.47. Enphase Energy gained 4.6%, while Palantir Technologies extended its winning streak to 5 consecutive days. Week-to-date returns highlight PTC's impressive 19.6% gain. Palantir continues its strong performance with an 89% year-to-date return, significantly outpacing its peers in the longer term. Among declining stocks, Fair Isaac led losses, dropping 6.5% with heightened volatility. Autodesk fell 2.4% in its third consecutive down day, while Adobe broke downward after 3 days of sideways movement. Week-to-date performance shows Fair Isaac down 14.2%, leading declines. Despite today's drop, Micron Technology maintains a strong 45% year-to-date gain, showing resilience in the longer term. Nasdaq-focused ETFs showed strength across the board. QQQ and Vanguard Information Technology both reached new all-time highs, with VanEck Semiconductor following suit. The leveraged 3x bullish QQQ gained 2%, while its inverse 3x bearish QQQ fell to a new low after 40 days of sideways movement. Year-to-date returns show VanEck Semiconductor leading with a 17.9% gain, outpacing both QQQ and Vanguard Information Technology, each up about 8.8%. Month-to-date, tech ETFs are showing consistent strength with returns ranging from 0.8% to 2.3%.
Looking at stocks in tech industries, I'm Sally Short. Meta Platforms led the group, rising 1.6% with a very strong upward trend. Microsoft hit a new all-time high, close at 503.51, continuing its very strong positive trend. The other tech leaders also closed higher with strong positive trends. Year-to-date returns show mixed performance. Meta Platforms and Microsoft lead with gains of 25.2% and 19.5% respectively. Apple and Alphabet are both negative for the year, down 15.7% and 6.7%. Semiconductor stocks showed notable strength. POET Technologies surged 18.2% with upward volatility. QuickLogic jumped 13.8%. Penguin Solutions reached a new all-time high, gaining 10.5% for its 6th consecutive up-day. Week-to-date returns in semiconductors are impressive. QuickLogic leads with a 13.7% gain, followed by Penguin Solutions at 12.3%. Month-to-date, Penguin and POET Technologies both show gains exceeding 17%. Cloud computing stocks moved higher. The trade desk rose 2.1% with some upward volatility. Dell Technologies gained 1.8%, maintaining its very strong positive trend. Okta added 1.6% despite its mixed negative trend. In cloud computing year-to-date returns, Okta leads with a 25.8% gain. Dell Technologies and Shopify show modest gains of 9.9% and 7.5% respectively. The Trade Desk lags, down 35.7%. In AI and robotics, YASKAWA Electric jumped 4.9%. Boeing surged 3.6% to a one-year high, with strong upward volatility. Vicarious Surgical broke out upward after 6 days of flat trading, gaining 2.3%. Year-to-date performance in AI stocks varies widely. Symbotic leads with an impressive 98.9% gain. Boeing has risen 28%. YASKAWA Electric and Vicarious Surgical both show losses exceeding 20%. Leading thematic ETFs in AI and robotics showed strength today. SPEAR Alpha ETF hit a new all-time high, while robotics and AI and automation Bulltwalks and AI and robotics both broke upward from consolidation patterns. Strong positive trends dominate the group. Performance metrics reveal SPEAR Alpha ETF leading month-to-date returns at 2.1%, followed by AI and Innovation Fund at 1.1%. Year-to-date, SPEAR Alpha and Wisdom Tree AI are showing the strongest gains at 11.4% and 12.9% respectively. EV stocks showed mixed performance today. Polestar and Li Auto maintained strong positive trends, with Li Auto marking its third consecutive up-day. NIO continued its strong negative trend, while remaining flat for 15 days. Looking at returns, Li Auto leads week-to-date performance at 4.7%. Tesla shows the largest decline at -6.2% for the week and -26.7% year-to-date. NIO follows with a -20.2% year-to-date return. Quantum computing stocks displayed broad strength. D-Wave Quantum led gains with a 2.5% rise. IonQ and Rigetti Computing showed upward volatility, while Applied Materials maintained its very strong positive trend with 3 days of upward movement. Return metrics highlight D-Wave Quantum's remarkable 95.1% year-to-date gain. Applied Materials shows consistent strength with a 20.1% year-to-date return. Rigetti Computing leads month-to-date at 13.9%. Solar stocks surged today, led by Sunrun with a 6.7% gain. Enphase Energy and Array Technologies both rose 4.6%. Notable is Maxion Solar, marking its 6th consecutive up-day despite 158 days of previous flat trading. Month-to-date returns show impressive gains across solar stocks. Maxion Solar leads at 38.2%, followed by SolarEdge at 32.8%. SolarEdge stands out with a remarkable 99.2% year-to-date return. Leading thematic tech ETFs showed strong momentum today. ARK Innovation ETF and ARK Fintech Innovation ETF posted notable gains of around 2%. Cybersecurity funds ETFMG Prime, Cybersecurity ETF, and Global X Cybersecurity ETF both reached new all-time highs, maintaining very strong upward trends. Year-to-date returns show impressive performance across these thematic ETFs. ARK Fintech Innovation ETF leads with a 38.3% return, while ARK Innovation ETF follows at 27.5%. For the month-to-date, SPDR SandP Semiconductor ETF has shown strong momentum with a 3.9% gain.
And with that, we wrap up another end-of-day technology deep dive. I'm Ira Roth, along with my AI co-host Sally Short. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment, share. Cold Brew. Finance is an experimental project with market reports written, narrated, and delivered totally by AI, with market data kindly provided by financialmodelingprep.com. Always seek professional financial advice before making any investment decisions. Check into the channel daily for coverage of stocks, crypto, currency, and commodities. Thanks for watching.